In this video, we'll show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on your Subaru Baja. This is located in the front of the vehicle and inside the headlight housing. Let's get started. We can loosen up the 10mm for the negative terminal. We'll set that down. That way it can't make contact. And pull the positive terminal off. Commonly, we would have some 10mm nuts holding our J-hooks in. For our case, we have some wing nuts. We can just go ahead and loosen those. It can help to pick up on the bracket while you loosen these. That way the J-hooks stay in their holes and hold them still. Once you have enough slack, you can pop the J-hooks from out of the chassis. And we can remove our bracket. And we can remove the battery. With the battery out of the way, we have a push tab on top of the connector. Push in on that, pull the connector back. You always want to check your terminals in the connector for any damage or corrosion. These look good. We have a small white ring with 3 tabs. You can go ahead and turn that counterclockwise, pull that out and set it aside. Next we can grab the bulb. We'll pop that out. Installing our bulb is just the reverse of removing the old one. We'll line this up, making sure that the tab is up top. Push that all the way in. Now we can line up the 3 open spaces in the white ring with the 3 notches on the bulb and turn this clockwise to lock it down. Make sure that that's fully locked down and the bulb isn't going to pull out. We can plug in our connector. Make sure that that locks down and also won't pull back out. The process for this bulb is the same as the other side. I'm going to make sure the battery is centered in its tray. We'll get the positive terminal on first. And we can snug down the 10mm. And make sure the boot is set over the terminal. We'll get the negative terminal in place. And we'll get that snug down as well. We can get our battery tie down lined up and centered on the battery. If you pick up on the battery bracket, as you tighten down on the J-hooks, that'll help keep the J-hooks in place on the chassis.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.